You can see right now I'm selected what different text. So what exactly that's called a general data. Means what if suppose I am not declaring my data, my computer can or my Excel can automatically understand this is all kind of data whatever I am using. This is a general data. General data means what? All kind of data, not specific a format. I can write inside of number. I can write inside of currency. I can write inside anything. That's called a general data. Okay, let me selected all these things. You can see this is what kind accounting data means I'm using for accounting purpose. Okay, let me show you inside of we have the different data also. Even if suppose I have the a normal general data and I want to convert it into the another form, I can do that. Let me show how we can do that. Suppose I am writing over here 15 something, I'm writing over 65 12. Right now you can see this data is which kind of data I have, the general. And if I want to convert it into the another format, we have the option what? See over here percentage. If suppose I want to convert it into percentage format, I can do that. Just click over here. You can see right now it's converted into a percentage format. But you can see the extra two zeros are added. If I want to remove that, how we can do that? You can see over here this option. See, if suppose I want to increase, I'm using this. If suppose I want to decrease, okay, I can do that. I don't know why it's like coming from. Let me do again. I don't want zeros. Sometime it will be automatically taken to zero. So we need to remove that by defaultly, means manually. And if I want to increase that zero, you can see we can increase that. It's depend upon to you how you can use that. Now suppose there is something a percentage and I want to convert it into a another again format. We can do that. See, there is a currency format and I want to convert it into currency. Suppose let me take a Sierra Leone currency. I'm going over here in accounting. You can see the symbol is over here. Go over there, and after that do one thing. Which one see over here, uh Sierra Leone, S. See Sierra Leone currency. You can see, okay, you can see it's a right now converted into a Sierra Leone currency. Okay, even you can see if suppose I'm writing something in a date format and this kind of stuff, he can automatically understand which kind of data I'm using. Okay, suppose I'm writing over here, today's date is what? 10/06, and after that 2024. See, previously data is what? General. Okay, let me click over here and again go back. You can see it's automatically understand this is kind of my what data? Dead data. Okay, so this is we are using for what purpose? If suppose I want to check which kind of data I am using, even suppose I want to convert it into the another format of data, I can do that. Even if suppose I'm writing something number over here, okay, but I want that commas and everything, I want to change that. See, there is a comma section. When you are clicking over here, you can see automatically commas are coming. Right now it's comma coming to the Indian style. If we want to change, we have the change to the currency. See, suppose I want to change into the dollar sign. See, right now the commas are different. Okay, not different. Not different. I need to do some settings because I previously done something settings. That why it coming to the Indian style only. Okay, even maybe over here I already put it. No, over here also the two. Okay, I'll check. Okay, after that we have the style. Style are always help me to find out my data. Means there is a way I can find my data if suppose I have the large quantity of data. Okay, let me do that. How we can do that stuff? Let me do undo. I don't want this anything. Okay, let me. I don't want even that color will be no fill. Okay, now it's look like normal. Okay, let me suppose check something. First, we have the inside of style, we have the conditional format. Conditional format always help me to find out something. Like suppose condition, if suppose I want to use a condition for you, if you are not coming on time, I will be not allowed. So what I'm doing over here, I'm putting my condition same as it is. If suppose I want to put my condition in my any column or any table, I can do that. How we can do that? We have the different types of condition. You can see, first we have a highlighting cell rules. Inside of I have the one, two, three, four, five, six, seven conditions. Even if I'm going inside, there is also a many condition. If I'm going to the bar, it will be showing like a bar type of concept. I will teach you how exactly that. First, let's understand how we can apply a condition. See, I'm going to the where in condition. First, we need to do that one thing. We need to select that particular cell where I want to apply my condition. You can see I just recently selected all cell what I want and just going to the condition. First there we have the condition. First I'm going to the highlighting cell rules. Okay, means after applying condition, my cell will be a color. Okay, let me go over here. Suppose I want to check a greater than something. Means suppose I want to check how many persons having the greater than salary, whatever I'm putting over here. Okay, suppose let me put over here how many persons having salary greater than 15,000. Okay, let me check. One, two, three zeros, 15,000. You can see how many people have greater than 15 salary. One, two, three, four, five, 6%. So when this kind of functionality use me, when I have the a large quantity of data. Okay, even if suppose I want to say okay, you can see it's right now apply. Now when you are going to the again apply a second condition, don't forget to go to the back step. Because why? When you are applying this, it will be a not removing. So if we want to removing, we need to go to the one step back. Or else we have the another option also. We need to give to the something different kind of color so we can understand. Okay, so let me go over here in condition. I'm going to the highlight cell. Suppose I want to check that who having the less than salary. Suppose I'm going over here in less than salary. Okay, let me remove this number. I need to put over here, suppose who having salary less than 15,000. Okay, you can see two-person having the less than 15,000 salary. Now you can see always this kind of color are happening. And if suppose I want to apply a multiple times of condition, how we can change the color? See over here we have the option use drop down menu. We have the different options also to colorize and borderize some cells. But suppose if you want to customize by yourself, we have the option, the last one. See customize format. Go over here. You can set which format you want. Suppose I want to change the font color. I want to do a border also. And if I want to a fill color also inside of that, we can do everything. Suppose I want to fill color only. I'm choosing red. Okay, you can see red I am choosing and just say okay. See right now what happened? I am applying my custom format what exactly I want. So this is also we have another option. When I am saying okay, it will be see how is look like. And if suppose I'm selecting over here and going over here, see this is what background color, and I'm saying no fill, still it's not going because it's not a background color I'm applying. I'm applying what condition. So I need only a one option. I need to go to the undo one step back, or else we have the another option that's called what? I can do another color. Okay, let me do undo. Right now it's removing. Now again inside of we have the in between means a range. If suppose I want to check suppose I want to check 1 2 3 3 to 4 like that. See I'm selecting this. Okay, why I'm choosing this column? Because it's really understandable. It's like a 1 to 10 counting. If suppose I'm showing over here there is a different number, so you cannot able to understand as much better. Okay, let me go to the over here, choosing what? In between suppose I want to check 5 to between 8 how many numbers are. See 5 6 7 8. So this is in between condition, we can use that. Let me do cancel because I don't want to apply. Let me go over here in highlighting. Equal to text always we can see is equal to means a same as it is into the another side. Like suppose I want to check where exactly the 5.5 is it showing anything? No, because it's not equal to like a 5.5. So if suppose I want to check that, right over here 3, suppose see it's showing where is 3. Okay, now again we have the another also condition that's called Text means we are using, if suppose we are writing text, we can check the text. We have the another type of condition that's called data.